Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Beeler here with a stunning aircraft to tell you about today. You know, this is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Well, today I have a 1992 Baron 58 to tell you about today. Factory air conditioning, long range tanks, great avionics. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engines. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engines. Check out your beautiful props. 3-blade Scimitar props, only $360 on the props since factory new. The left engine has 2,066 hours on it since new, 352 since 4 cylinders were repaired. Your right engine, 1,774 since new, 352 since 2 cylinders repaired on this one as well. So we all know the Baron is an iconic workhorse, the perfect transportation machine. You're going to want to take your things with you. Now up front we can carry 300 pounds, and check out the spring thing. Love it. That way we can load our belongings without fear of getting bumped in the head. This Baron comes equipped with Vortex generators and plenty of fuel to fly to our business and dream destinations, 194 gallons. So let's talk about your exterior. Matterhorn white overall with green and gold stripes in very good condition. 3,160 hours total time on the airframe since new. So of course we have the large double cargo doors we love about the Baron. It's so easy to load our passengers and our things. Now the nice thing about the seating configuration, you know it's versatile. We can change the seats around. We can be in the club seating configuration, executive style like it is now, or everybody could face forward, or we can even remove seats. Don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, I can remove the seat, we're in business. So come on in, let's check out the interior together. Gray leather seats, dark gray carpet in really good condition. Check out these sidewalls, beautiful. The headliner looks great. G&D tinted window inserts. We have a 6-place intercom system and shoulder harnesses for everyone, plus factory air conditioning. So let's talk about your avionics. You'll enjoy a Garmin G500 EFIS primary flight display. We also have a Garmin 750XI with GPS Navcom, a Garmin 650XI with GPS Navcom. Your XM weather on board you will enjoy. It's a Garmin GDL 69A. Transponder is a Garmin GTX 345 with ADS-B in and out, traffic and FIS-B. And your Autopilot, it's a King KFC 200 with Flight Director and HSI. Other features you will appreciate: Rosen sun visors, 3-blade Scimitar hot props, Co-Pilot push-to-talk, standby ADI, altimeter and airspeed indicators, Vortex generators, Co-Pilot King 55A HSI, inside graphic engine monitor, long-range fuel, factory air conditioning, and more. So this 1992 Baron 58, she's looking for a new home. Now remember, we've got the long-range fuel tanks. We've only got 360 hours on the Scimitar props since new, wonderful avionics, paint, interior in good condition. We advise you to give us a call right away because this Baron's going to fly away soon and you may as well be on board. Now Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to feel safe and comfortable in your new to you Baron 58. So come see us. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.